would you like to get thousands of free products from Amazon.com and even make money from it for free? If this piques your interest, then keep watching this video. Hey, this is Fred Lam and welcome to my YouTube channel. Listen, what I discovered is absolutely mind-blowing. Now, you can actually get thousands of free products from Amazon and even sell it to actually make money online for free. Now, here's the deal. I'm not going to actually promise you that you are going to actually afford a fancy Porsche because of the strategy, but what if you can actually make an additional $100, $200, $300, or even $1,000 a month by using this free method? Now, let me actually head over to my computer in my office to actually share with you exactly how this all works. Alright, step number one, all you have to do is simply go to this site over here, which you'll find the link right in the video description right down below. Simply go to iProAcademy.com/rebates. Now on here, you get to actually see there are over 1,600 different products that you simply can get for free. In return, all you have to do is simply write a review back, and that is it. So if you actually go down here, you can actually see anything and every product that you can actually ever imagine. In fact, there are things like health and beauty, babies and kids, electronics, clothing, sports and outdoors, home and garden, you name it. Now, if you take a look at this product over here, this is a skateboard, right? You can actually get it for free. It's selling for $36.99. So all you really have to do, I gotta verify that I'm not a robot, all you really have to do is simply just apply it and get this product ordered and write a review, and you simply get this product for free. But here's the best part. When you order the product, make sure that you use a credit card cashback. Now, each time you place an order for your product, I highly recommend you to get a credit card with cashback. Personally, I recommend the Crypto.com Bitcoin cashback, where every single purchase on Amazon.com, I get 2% back. So even if I'm actually not selling these products to make money, I could actually get 2% back of free money. And even if I'm selling, I can actually get 2% more margins on every single product that I am going to be selling. Now, if you're interested in this card, which I'm using for personal use right now, for all my transactions, I'm putting it on to rake up all the Bitcoins out there, simply go to the video description right down below for your link to actually get this credit card. I personally loved it over the actual Amex card that I actually have. All right, so now that you actually have your products, guess what? You can actually start selling it into marketplaces. Places like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even eBay to resell these products. After all, you're getting it for free. So all you can do is simply just list this product at a much lower cost, and that is it. So again, if you go to Craigslist and let's look for a skateboard, you will actually find that skateboards are selling anywhere from $20 all the way to $90, even $100 as you can see, even $150. Now, if you actually go into the marketplace and we actually search for skateboard, guess what? Again, skateboards are being sold at $60, $90, $50, $135, $40. Now that we're actually getting this product for $36.99 for free, since that we're not paying anything, we get this product for free, we simply can just sell it into different marketplaces and start making money that way. Look, there you have it. 3 simple steps. Step 1, go to the link in the video description and actually start getting these free Amazon products. There are thousands of them that you can actually start selling. Then step 2, order it and leave a review so that you actually get 100% of your money back. Number 3, now all you have to do is to simply sell it on marketplaces like Facebook Marketplace, Craigslist, or even eBay to resell these products and actually make money for free. Now, here's the deal. What I share with you can help you make a couple $100s a month, maybe even $1,000 a month. However, if you start making money with this strategy, leave me a comment box right down below. And if you are serious about building a real online business that is capable of generating sales online every single day, then listen, I got something absolutely amazing for you, which is a Shopify approved course, which in 21 days, I'm gonna actually hold your hands to build your own e-commerce store to make money online, even if you are a total beginner. And it will cost you only $20. So with what I share with you, getting free products on Amazon, listing it into marketplaces to resell it, just one sale can actually afford this Shopify approved training with live coaching call. All you gotta do is simply go to the video description right down below to get your link, to get started, and actually let me help you in the next 21 days to build and scale your very own e-commerce business, even if you are a total beginner. With that, I hope that this video absolutely helps you out and you start making money with this. If you enjoyed it, make sure that you smash the like button, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and hit that notification bell so that each time I release a brand new video, you're gonna get notified right away. Till next time.